How to share Google Calendar with others. Okay, those are 4 easy ways for you guys. Today we are going to learn how to share your Google Calendar with others in a simple and quick way. I will show you 4 different ways of how to do it. Google Calendar is often super useful to organize your schedule, both professionally and personally. So knowing how to share it properly can make your communication and organization much more efficient. So let's straight to the point and get started. First, let's see how to share a specific event. This is one of the most commonly used methods for one-off appointments. So to do it, simply open the Google Calendar. We are going to open here the the Opera or Google Chrome, whatever navigator you use to use the internet. Here on internet we are going to type Google Calendar and we are going to open the first one. So the first thing you guys have to do in this part of the page is select the event you want to share and click edit in the menu. I'm going to click here everyone, and we are going to click an edit event. Okay, here you can enter the email address of the people you want to share the event with. The people you added will receive a mail invitation and you'll be able to confirm their attendance directly through the Google Calendar. So this is great for one-time events like meetings, parties, or any events that need confirmation. And additionally, you can even add a message to the invitation if you need to provide more details or instructions for the guests. So this helps keep everyone on the same page regarding the event. Okay, so what we have to do is click here on guests, add guests, and we can type, I'm going to type my own email just for an example. You're going to select the email, just click apply, and here you can, like I say, put a description or whatever it is. It's a party and it will happen at 9 o'clock. When you do this, you just click save and that will be saved. Now the second method, guys, is share your entire calendar with someone. And to do this, you're going to use you're gonna go on the main Google Calendar page. So you're gonna go back to the page that we were. Okay, on the left you see the list of your calendars. Okay, here you may have different calendars such as work, family, anniversary, personal commitments. It depends on your page. Okay, so click on the 3 dots on the one that you want to share. Okay, click on it, click on settings and sharing. In this new screen, scroll down to the section share with a specific person right here, and here you can just click add guests and groups. At the same time, in the same way, actually, you're going to type the email of the person that you want, or the emails. You can put a lot of mails in the same time right here. Okay, the second method is ideal if you want to give someone access to your few calendar but with different levels of control. For example, if you're sharing with a work colleague and you can give them permission to see only your availability, or without letting them to see all the details of your appointments, or if it's someone from your team, you can allow them to edit your appointments and make changes. Okay, this flexibility in the permissions is an excellent way to ensure that your calendar is shared with a comfortable and secure manner. Okay, so the third method is to share your calendar with a public link, and this option can be very useful when you want to share your calendar with a large number of groups on your WhatsApp and whatever, but don't want to add each one individually. So in the same page, you're gonna go on authorizations of access and events and generate a shared link. When you do that, this will be the link that you'll be sharing with the people that you want. Okay, This option is useful when you have a regular and public event such as work appointments, courses, or anything else you want to make accessible without restrictions. A good example of usage is when you need to publish an event agenda for a company or even a class scheduled for a school or university. So with a public link, everyone is interested can access the information quickly and easily without needing to add each person manually. In addition, making the calendar public can be a great solution for organizing recurring events, such as webinars, lectures, or meetings. It make it easy to view it times and date for all interested parties without the need for email exchange or separate invitations. However, it's important to remember that by making your calendar public, anyone with the link will be able to see all the events, so use this option carefully and only for events you want to be widely accessible, okay? And don't worry, you can change your calendar visible at anytime. If you want to change your mind, simply uncheck the option to make the calendar public and the link will no longer work, okay? Those are just the 3 first ways to share your calendar, but we still have one more method that can be really useful actually, especially for those who work with teams and have collaboration appointments. So let's take a look at this last method right after. So the method number 4 is share Google Calendar with Notion. Notion, for many people who didn't know, it's a little program that is used for organization, and we have the calendar in the Notion right here. And you can also use this program that is used for organization to link the Google agenda to your Notion or otherwise. So you just have to go on Google, go on Notion calendar, open the first page, get Notion calendar free, and you're gonna link your Google Gmail to Notion. Okay, so that's how it works. Now you know 4 ways to share a Google Calendar with others and apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more productivity and organization tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics for upcoming videos, leave a comment below. I love hearing what you think and I can help you with more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.